Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Under Officer Dewan D. Muyukongwang from NER Directorate, Shillong Group, 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. It's an honor for me to be a part of RDC 2021 from NER contingent and to march in Rajpath.
How did you earn a spot for the RD parade in Delhi?
It was not easy to earn the spot. I had to go through rigorous selection process and training. My seniors have been an excellent guide, and with their effort and a little hard work of mine, I've reached till here.
When did you join NCC and what has NCC given to you?
I joined NCC in 2018. NCC instills in me a spirit of adventure and the desire to learn more, not only about youth activities or the defense, but life as a whole. It has given me a whole new perspective towards individual responsibility and commitment to the nation.
What is the message for others aspiring to join NCC?
Simply, I would like to say, you have to be in it to love it. Those aspiring should be inspired enough. The achievement of many cadets, and also these days, technology makes it easier to realize, recognize and refer.
So what is your aim in life?
As a child, I wanted to become an army officer and serve for the country. I don't know what destiny has, but I would surely work hard and give my best to become an army officer. Thank you and Jai Hind.